All right, I'm really excited to open these new Sparco racing shoes because I've been waiting for them for like 3 weeks and they finally arrived. Here they are. I really hope they fit, too. Oh, these look so cool so far. Yes. Got them in red to match my racing suit that should be in shortly. Right, they do look a little bit wider than I expected, but that's okay. It might be a good thing. Pretty comfortable so far. I don't know if I needed to go to half size up yet, but they're not super big, so they feel good. They're like slightly long, but my toe basically goes to where they should, so I wouldn't go a half size up like a lot of other reviews were saying, but that's just me. I also have a little bit of a wider foot, and these are pretty good. Okay, so I finally have them on. I would say they are pretty comfortable. I rechecked the size. These are 10.5s, and I usually wear 10.5s in Pumas and most shoes. Definitely happy with them, so looking forward to trying them out. Overall, I'm satisfied with these shoes. They're a little bit more stiff than I thought they'd be, but they still provide good feedback. It's just not quite the same kind of feedback as a softer shoe would give. Pretty good shoes. Yeah. Okay.